Hi, grade 11 students. Today we are going to discuss about the chemical coordination. Like nervous coordination, chemical coordination is also very important, right, for the survival of the organisms. Actually, the hormones that are secreted by the endocrine glands, endocrine glands are important in chemical coordination, right? Uh, There are two types of glands, exocrine glands and endocrine glands. For the chemical coordination, endocrine glands is important, right? So first of all, we'll know what is exocrine glands. Exocrine glands means the glands that secretes their products into ducts or opening to a body surface, like sweat glands, salivary glands, mammary glands, glands that secrete tears, and many glands in digestive system, like that. Endocrine glands means an organ that makes hormones, right, that makes hormones that are released directly into blood, directly into the blood and travel to the tissues and organs, so all over the body. So examples: pituitary gland, pineal gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland. So there are many examples. So for the coordination, right, for the chemical coordination, the endocrine glands are important, so we are going to discuss that one. And here you also know about, right, and you want to know that endocrine glands, endocrine glands are also can be said as the ductless glands, they also can be said as the ductless gland because they directly secrete they directly secrete the hormones into the bloodstream, right. So you have to know the features of the hormones. The hormones are actually organic compounds. They are transported through blood and they produced at one site and act on another site. They stimulate the target organs or the target cells, and only small concentration is required. And here let's see the endocrine glands of the human body here, right. So here some examples are given: hypothalamus, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal glands in the kidney, pancreas, ovaries, testes, right. These are considered some examples for the right endocrine glands you can see in the picture, right. Let's check the functions one by one, right. Pituitary gland, the location of the pituitary gland is below the hypothalamus. Hormone, what is the hormone secreted by pituitary gland? Growth hormone. And what is the function? Increase the protein synthesis, growth of ordinary body tissues, and growth of long bones, growth of long bones. And what about the thyroid gland? The location is posterior, right. See the location of the thyroid gland here. It is actually posterior, right. Here, see this one, see the thyroid gland, it is actually posterior to the tracheal system, right, posterior to the tracheal system and dorsal part, right, dorsal part of the neck. What is the hormone secreted by this thyroid gland, right, thyroid gland? Calcitonin, right, calcitonin and thyroxine, these are the hormones secreted by. And the uses: calcitonin, right, calcitonin reduce the calcium level in the blood, thyroxine control metabolic rate, right, control the metabolic rate. Let's check the next glands. Pancreas, right, pancreas, the location in the here, see this one, the location of the pancreas, see this one, actually it is in the bend of the duodenum between the stomach and the large intestine, stomach and the large intestine here. And the hormones, right, hormones secreted by the adrenal pancreas, insulin and glucagon, right. So the function of the insulin is the what? Convert, right, convert glucose into glycogen, and glucagon's function is converting glucogen into glucose. We will be discussing those things in the homeostasis. adrenal gland, okay, where the location of adrenal gland, okay, above, right, on the surface of the kidneys, on the surface of the kidneys, right. The hormone secreted by, okay, the hormone secreted by the adrenal gland is adrenaline, right. So what is the function? Preparing the body to activate in the case of emergency purpose it is needed, right. Testis, okay, testis, where the location outside the abdominal region, okay, outside the abdominal region in the testis, okay, uh, outside the abdominal region. So what is the hormone secreted by the testis gland? Testosterone, right. So what is the function? It develops the secondary sexual characteristics in boys and also induces the spermatogenesis, production of sperms. Ovaries, where is the location of ovaries? It is below the kidneys, ovaries, okay, below the kidneys. Estrogen and progesterone, okay, estrogen, development of secondary sexual characteristics in girls, and progesterone, maintenance of the pregnancy and also the menstrual cycle, okay, menstrual cycle.